myself. I am Chong, the instructor for you for the day. So the last lesson, we learned about how to make the tea in a Vietnamese way. And today that I introduce and I will instruct you on another drink, which is very special, and I think that a lot of people like it. It is the Vietnamese coffee. I will teach you how to make the hot black Vietnamese coffee. So this is the demo product. So could you hold this one? So that is the demo product of the hot black coffee. Okay. So after the objective of us, after you learn these lessons with me, so you can make the final product. It looks like this.
Really?
All right. And since actually it is not very difficult to produce this, to make this. So the lessons will last around like 20 to 23 minutes, okay, in total. Now, first of all, have you ever tried Vietnamese coffee before?
I'm not trying it, but I try same the Highland coffee or same around Starbucks coffee. Yes.
So how do you feel? How can you compare those coffee together with this?
10 times stronger.
10 times stronger.
Starbucks.
So well, okay. So
how can you make it very strong?
Okay, so I would like to introduce you something. That is first thing that I'd like to tell you is the coffee powder. Because the coffee powder, Vietnam is very famous for coffee making and exporting around the world. So the top one exporter of coffee is Brazil, and the second is Vietnam. Well, like we export like everywhere in the world, and the powder which is very good. And the most common coffee powder of Vietnam is Robusta. Okay, so we have another type of coffee powder, but the most common is Robusta, and you see that we have a lot of coffee shop around, so you see on the street. Okay. Now, so in terms of making hot coffee here, like black hot coffee, Vietnamese way. So we need to prepare something. Okay. So there's some items that I would like to introduce to you. First, we need the cup. Yes, we need the cup. And we also need the filter. Yes. The filter consists of the 4 pieces. Okay, could you hold it? Okay. So that is a cover cup. The cover cup. The first filter. The cabin. And the second filter. So okay, so it's going to be filtered 2 times. So in Vietnam, in Vietnamese language, we call it phin. So phin. Okay. Hot water. Of course, we need to have a hot water. Sugar to make it sweet, depends on the taste of the people. And of course, we need to have a spoon to stir the coffee. All right. Of course, we cannot miss the coffee powder. All right. Now, actually, there are 6 steps. There are 6 steps that I in the making process. So if we want to make the coffee, so we need to follow 6 steps. Okay. How many steps?
6 steps.
Okay. All right. Remember 6 steps. All right. Now first, we clean the fin first. We clean the fin first. All right. Make sure it's hygiene and clean. All right. First one. So we clean this one and we come in. Okay. Now, after we clean the fin, so remember for me, please. So the powder, powder's in here. The optimal is around like 20 grams of coffee inside the cabin. Okay. Well, it's not easy to calculate this in gram, but the thumbnail, the rules of thumb is you take around like 4 to 5 spoons. Okay, so we make it 4 spoons. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now How many spoons?
4 spoons.
4 spoons.
Yeah.
Equal to how many grams?
Around 30 grams.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Now, very good. You remember well. Now, okay, remember for me. Before we actually pour the water inside, we need to bat the coffee. Bat it.
Yeah.
So we make it even. So you shake it a little bit.
Yeah.
So you see that it's going to be flat.
Yeah.
So the coffee will be flat. So we put the first filter upon the
Yeah.
coffee powder, press it a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay, so we shake it a little bit here.
Yeah.
Now that's the next step. Okay, why should we make it flat?
We make flat because the coffee will become flat, and we can put the filter in the front also.
Yes. All right. Now, next step. Yeah.
Yeah.
Next step. We take just a little amount of water.
Yeah.
We pour it here. We call blooming the coffee.
Yeah.
Okay. So we put like around like 5 meter,
Yeah.
5 milliliters. Okay, 5 milliliters of the hot water. The water temperature should be 90 to 95.
Yeah.
Remember it for me.
Yeah.
Okay.
90 to 95.
How
yeah.
much water?
From 5 milliliters.
5 milliliters. All right. For blooming only.
For the,
Okay. Yes. We wait for 30 seconds.
yeah.
We wait for 30 seconds.
Alright.
So, the purpose of blooming coffee here, we put the hot water inside. So the water absorbs into the coffee powder
Yeah.
and it releases the carbon out of the coffee.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. We wait a little bit here.
Yeah.
So even you can press
Yeah.
a little bit more. Press a little bit more. Okay,
Yeah.
that's fine. Why should we put? Why should we do the blooming?
From your man got it from you that we have released carbonate. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good. Now after we do the blooming,
Yeah.
so we put that filter up on here, right? We put the filter up on here, up on the cup, and now that step, remember for me.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Water.
Yeah.
How many? Sorry. What temperature should it be?
That is from 90 to 95.
Okay,
Yeah.
good. Now you
Yeah.
remember.
Yeah.
30 to 35 milliliters
Yeah. Okay.
of water. Okay. Well, we don't pour it too much, otherwise the water is like everywhere.
Yeah.
So we just put it right there, and we cover. Now we cover the cup.
Yeah.
So we let the water absorb
Yeah.
to the coffee powder and dropping. You see that dropping?
Yeah.
So the speed should be, the optimal speed should be 1 second,
Yeah.
1 drop.
Yeah.
Okay? Because see, so because this is the demo of the final product.
Yeah.
So after we complete the dropping,
Yeah.
it should look like this, the color of the coffee.
Yeah.
Okay? So this one, one for 1 drop. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
good. All right. See.
Yeah.
So if it's too fast,
Yeah.
otherwise the coffee is gonna it's too light.
Yeah.
But it's like too slow. Well, the coffee should be, the water is going to be
Yeah.
cold, or it's going to destroy the coffee.
Yeah.
So make sure that you can watch,
Yeah.
like 1 second, 1 drop.
May I have a question? Why the speed of the drop that depend what the step we do?
The drop depends on the step we do, because we press and because like you put too much powder of the coffee, it's gonna like too slow, and then the water is gonna be too cold. If we put it 2 liters of the coffee, we put it too few,
Yeah.
so it's gonna be like too light. So
Yeah.
doesn't make sense.
Okay.
Okay. So we wait for it's dropping.
Yeah.
So you see now it's almost almost done. Okay. Now, so after we finish, okay, you take the fin out, put it over the cover cup.
Yeah.
So this is the sugar.
Yeah.
It depends on you.
Yeah.
It depends on the taste of the drinker. If the drinker wants to drink sweet and more sweet, so we put 2 or 3. It's up to them. So, okay, so sugar here, right? And you take the spoon, and the final step, you stir it. Okay, the last step. Enjoy.
Okay.
Yeah, you try it.
Oh, very good smell.
Okay.
Very strong.
Compare.
Yeah, compare. The color is the same and it's very strong.
Okay, now.
I will get the all này.
All right. So, your turn.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Đó. First step, wing.
Yes. Good. All right. Okay.
Second step, we get the powder of the coffee to inside. And we have around 20 to 25. 20 coffee. 1, 2,
How many spoons?
4.
4 spoons. Okay.
1.
All right.
Yeah, we done step and we adding coffee.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. Good.
But with this,
Yes. What shall we do now?
yes, blooming coffee.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. 5 milliliters water, 90 to 95 degrees.
Good. Now you remember the temperature. Remember the
Yeah,
temperature.
sure.
Yes.
We keep a second. Yeah.
How many seconds we keep it for?
30 seconds. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Keep it.
Yes. So what's that for? What is the purpose of blooming?
Blooming for the really carbonate and make the coffee is stronger.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yes. Good. Make sure that you bloom enough.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it's going to affect the taste of the coffee.
Yeah.
Okay.
We waiting 30 seconds. Now we okay. Finish the 30 seconds.
Mhm.
We here. I get the water inside around 30 milliliters. Make sure not coming now.
Mm-hmm.
And keep it.
Control the speed, please.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Water.
Now,
1 second, 1 drop.
what about speed? Now tell me about the speed.
1 second, 1 drop is better for the coffee.
Okay.
Yeah. We waiting.
Yes. So, I tell you some story about Vietnamese coffee as well.
Yeah.
Now remember, coffee is not originally the plant of Vietnam.
Yeah.
It comes from it comes to Vietnam in the 19th century with the French people. They come in Vietnam. They brought the coffee too.
Yeah.
Yep. And then they plant the coffee beans in the highland. Okay. So you see that it is from the highland and from the land, the soil, the earth there that create the type of the coffee, and it will affect the taste of the coffee.
Yeah.
Okay. So so you see that we have a lot of coffee shops around the city. Yeah, a lot. Vietnamese people enjoy drinking coffee actually. Yes. And Robusta.
Yeah.
Besides Robusta, we are making Robusta.
Yeah.
And we have Arabica as well, and and some others, types of coffee bean and coffee powder. But the most common is Robusta. People is making it in every city of Vietnam. And yes, well, coffee here is very easy. It's not just the drink; it's also the culture of Vietnam too. And also, like you see, people enjoy coffee, enjoy gathering with friends and coffee. Yeah. That increase the bonding too, and people just ask, okay, so we gather in the coffee shop. That is a very good culture.
Yeah.
So it helps people to be awake for the whole day.
Yeah.
So warning that we don't let our friends and us drink like in the evening. Otherwise, here we want to stay up late, very late. Yeah.
May I have a question? Why the Vietnamese people like Robusta more than Arabica coffee?
That's a very good question.
Yeah.
Well, Robusta tastes a little bit more bitter than the Arabica.
Yeah.
Arabica planted in the higher in the higher mountain.
Yeah.
Okay, and then it's tastes a little bit more sour. Like acidic, right? It tastes acid, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So do remember for me.
Yeah.
All right. After you finish,
Yeah.
So, is that finished?
Finished.
Okay, this is finished. Alright.
So I get out.
Mm-hmm.
Put the sugar.
Yes.
Here. Yeah. Put it inside. So just scoop here. Check. And try it.
Yes, please. Yeah, you can try.
Wow, very good smell. I
Mm-hmm.
can do it. Yeah.
Right, good.
Really perfect. Yeah, like you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now it's your turn.
Yeah.
It's your turn. Okay. So before you make the final one,
Yeah.
I have some question for you.
Yeah.
Okay. First of all, temperature of the water.
Temperature around 90 to 95 degrees.
Okay.
Yeah, I know it.
Yeah. Right. Now remember. Question number 2.
Yeah.
How much coffee powder should we put it in the cabin?
Yeah, that is around 20 to 25 gram. Yes. That is around 4 spoon, 5 spoon.
Okay, 4 to 5 spoon. All
Yeah.
right. Now, why should we bat the coffee? Make the coffee batting.
We make the coffee to become the flat of the coffee and coffee to stand on in the future. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Now, that's the question number 3. The question number 4.
Yeah.
Because before pouring the water in,
Yeah.
blooming. What is blooming?
Okay, what kind of mean? That is totally different. Other one, Vietnamese coffee have a blooming to release the carbonate and how and some way that make the coffee become stronger.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. That's good.
Yeah.
So remember, blooming.
Yeah.
How much water for the
That
blooming?
is 5 milliliters water. Yeah.
Okay. Yes. So after that,
Yeah.
what is this? So after that, what should we do? After
Uh,
blooming.
After blooming, we get 30 or 35 milliliters of the water inside.
Inside the
Yeah, inside coffee we to cabin. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So inside the cabin,
Yeah.
35 milliliters.
Yeah.
Make sure that it's not.
Yeah,
not
cool
so-
out.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Now, remember,
Yeah.
because we put it in here, so it's gonna
Drop.
dropping.
Yeah.
Speed of dropping. What is the speed of dropping?
You about like 1 second, 1 drop.
Okay.
Yeah.
1 second, 1 drop.
Yeah.
So after that,
And
final step is.
we just enjoy it with the sugar or continuous. That will depend your tap.
Okay. So after you put the sugar, maybe you stir and then you drink.
Yeah.
Okay. That's good.
Yeah.
Now, please.
Okay. First step, I will clean.
Yes.
Yeah. Make sure to be hygiene. So the next step, I will get the powder coffee. That is 4 spoon.
Mhm.
1, 2, 3.
Mhm.
So next step is bedding coffee. Share a little bit and refresh to get the people.
Okay.
Yeah. And
Great.
water, we limit. Next step we limit water around 90 to 95.
Good. Good.
With the 5 milliliters. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And we waiting 30 seconds. And in that time, we waiting. Okay. We
Just a few
release,
seconds.
yeah, we release the carbonate and make the coffee become stronger. May I have? Yes. Okay.
Remember, make sure that it's make sure it's flat there.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, good.
30 seconds. It will come. Okay, put it come to the cup.
Yeah, good.
And put the 30 to 35 milliliters water inside. I check the speed on the drop.
Okay.
Maybe this 20.
Mm-hmm.
1 second, 1 cup. And waiting, yeah. And we waiting here. Coffee making.
Yes. I think that, yeah, you...
Okay, and I remember on.
Yeah.
Yes.
You remember all of those? Yeah,
Yeah.
You're making... I'm sure, I'm pretty sure that you're gonna make a good coffee.
Yeah.
That's a good treat for our friends.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a very good drink as well. A lot of people in Vietnam, they drink coffee.
Yeah. And maybe I bring it come to your table also introduce my friend.
That's
I did
right.
I did it in Vietnam, yeah.
The filter is very it's handy and it's convenient. So if you went to the top of the mountain, so
Yeah.
you don't have the machine to make coffee. So what you need, hot water, fan, coffee powder, and cup, done.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
cool, yes?
Easily, yeah.
Very easily. Now,
Yeah.
okay, dropping salt. Now
Yeah.
compare with the final product, please.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Oh.
All right,
Oh,
perfect.
yeah.
Good. Now, put it the final step. Remember.
Okay. Thank you so much for the support. I get the sugar. The last step.
Okay, last step.
Yes. Okay. Good. I get spoon. Add the sugar inside. Now let's try it.
Yes.
Wow, it's wonderful.
Good.
And I love the Vietnamese coffee that they made me wet cup.
Yeah, exactly.
Feel.
You will stay awake and feel really strong. Now, okay, thank you very much. That is the end of the lessons because you made the very fine final product.
Yeah.
Okay, do remember the step I
Yeah.
told you and do exactly
I got
the
it.
same.
Yeah.
Well, however, there's some extra I would like to give you. People in Vietnam, they can enjoy in many ways.
Yeah.
Yeah, they can put the condensed milk here to make the coffee brown, turn the color to the brown. So they add the condensed milk to make it sweeter and less stronger. Yeah,
Really?
you know, like make it less strong. You know, and or they can put more sugar if they want to taste sweet. Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So there are many ways. So you can enjoy and find it out. All right. Thank you very much, and do remember for me, prepare for the next lesson of making sweet soup. Yeah. All right.
Thank you.
Okay.
I'm excited for next lesson.
All right.
Thank you,
Congratulations,
Mr.
Mr. Lloyd.
Yeah.
See you next lesson.
See you.
Okay.